Welcome to the WMS360 How-To series. In this video, we'll show you how to list a product on WooCommerce. Here's what we'll cover. 5 simple steps, from reviewing your product name to publishing your listing live on your WooCommerce store. Start from the Active Catalogue page. Find the product you want to list, click the Manage button, and select the WooCommerce icon from the channel grid. You'll land on the List on WooCommerce page. Select your WooCommerce account from the drop-down. The product name is pre-filled from your catalog. Product images load automatically from your catalog. The first image becomes your main photo on WooCommerce. Below that is the Variations table. Each variation has its own SKU, attributes, price, and stock, all pulled from your catalog. Review them before publishing. Next, select the WooCommerce categories for your product. Open the drop-down and tick the categories you need. For example, clothing, men's, and t-shirts. You can select as many as you like. The regular price, sale price, and SKU are pulled from your catalog. Update them here if needed. Your product description is also loaded from the catalog. It includes the full item details, bullet points, and specifications. Ready to go. When you're ready, you have 2 options. Save as draft to come back later, or click Publish to Store to push your product live to WooCommerce. Your product is now published. You'll see a success notification confirming it's live. You can find it on the WooCommerce product listings page, ready to sell. That's it. Your product is live on WooCommerce, managed directly from WMS360. Visit wms360.co.uk to start your free 14-day trial. No credit card required.